Hello everyone. Today I am going to tell you a story. Rather, I'll read it out for you, and you also have to practice the reading of the story at home, as I have already told you the story in the class. So, the name of the story is The Grasshopper and the Ants. So the story is in your next book 2, page number 88. Okay? 88. See, there is a grasshopper sitting. Flowers are there. See, these are mushrooms. Okay? See, he is sitting alone with a instrument, a musical instrument. So that means he can play it and sing also. Okay? So now let's move on to the reading part. This is the grasshopper. In Hindi, we call it tidda. Okay? Tidda. And there are our small little ants. Cheetia. See? There are 1, 2, 3 ants. Okay, so let's see what they are doing and why is this grasshopper sitting idle. Okay, so you will put your index finger under one word and you will start reading as I am doing. One fine sunny morning, a grasshopper was hopping around, singing happily. So, this grasshopper was hopping. So, how do we hop? Hopping is usually the same like jumping. Okay, so he was hopping. Hopping means slowly jumping like this, like this, like this, like this. Arre, 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 arre. Okay, so the grasshopper was hopping and singing. Soon the grasshopper saw a group of ants carrying grains of wheat. The grasshopper asked the ants, "Where are you going?" One of the ants replied, "To our hill. We are carrying grains to store for winter." Ha ha ha! The grasshopper laughed. He said, "Stop working and join me. We shall all sing and enjoy the summer." So, see, this grasshopper, he is sitting and doing nothing, and they are working. They are storing food for winter. So, क्या होता है, कुछ कुछ इंसेक्ट्स, कुछ कुछ जानवर ऐसे होते हैं जो साल के 12 महीने उनको खाना नहीं मिलता है, तो कभी कभी उनको पहले से ही वो खाना स्टोर करके रखना पड़ता है, जैसे हम लोग भी कभी कभी रखते हैं ना। और अभी कोरोना के टाइम में भी हम लोग पहले से रखना चालू किया था क्योंकि दुकानें बंद हो गई थी। सो दे वेर ऑल्सो स्टोरिंग फॉर द विंटर. Okay, and he was stopping them. He said to them that stop doing your work and come with me. We will dance, we will sing. Okay, so let's see. Are they dancing or they are continuing their work? So the ants did not stop carrying the grains. One of them said, "We are saving food for the winter. You should also store some food for yourself, or else you will be in trouble." The grasshopper replied, "Oh, come on. There is time for winter. The day is lovely and I shall sing and play." So they didn't stop. Look, they are working hard. And the grasshopper went away and he continued with his singing and dancing, and they were doing their work. And they also advised the grasshopper to do the same. But I think the grasshopper didn't listen to them. So, after a few months, the winter set in. The weather was very cold and it started snowing. Soon the fields and plants were covered with snow. The ants were safe in their homes and also had plenty of food. But the grasshopper had no home and no food. He was feeling very cold and hungry. He didn't know where to go and what to do. At that moment, he recalled what the ants had said to him. He went to them and asked for some food and shelter. So, after some days, after some days, see this page, it's a bright sunny day, okay, and on this page, see everywhere is snow. So, the winter season has arrived and they have saved food for the winter, but the grasshopper didn't, and he also don't have any house to stay. So he remembered that they have stored food and they have a place to stay also. So he thought that he will go to their place. See, now one of the ants got very angry. He said, "When we were working hard, you made fun of us. We don't want to help you now." The poor grasshopper was standing outside in the cold without any food to eat. The little ants felt sorry for him. Finally, one of them opened the door and let him in. They gave him food to eat. The grasshopper felt grateful and vowed to work hard like the ants. So, see, he came to their place for food and for shelter. So, it's obvious one of them will get angry. But why? एक चींटी गुस्सा हो गया. क्यों? क्योंकि ये जब काम कर रहे थे, जब खाना स्टोर कर रहे थे, तो इसने उन्हें बोला था कि छोड़ दो काम और आओ मेरे साथ गाना गाओ, डांस करो. ओके, डू यू रिमेंबर? At the first, what we read that he have asked them to dance and sing with him, but they didn't listen to him and they stored food. So now they are eating the food. They got their food. They got the place to stay, but he didn't have. So he came to their place, and they then felt pity on him and they gave him food. See, all of them are sitting on a dining table and having food, and he got the food to eat and place to stay. Okay, so the moral of the story is save for a rainy day. Here, rainy day, don't think that I have written rainy day, so that means for rainy season we have to store. No, rainy day is a word and it has an inner meaning. Save for a rainy day means you have to save for your bad days, or you have to save something. You cannot lose all your money, or all your food at a go. We must save for a bad day or a bad weather or a bad time. See now in corona, what happened in earlier stages? Everything was closed. So that was a bad day. So for this type of days we must save. We can save in terms of food or in terms of money also. Okay, so bye. Have a good day. I hope you got the story. Okay, so practice reading. Okay.